Oh, he loves to fire then! What a goal! Oh, I say! A quick look up, a right foot shot, and that is arrowed underneath the crossbar. That's a stupendous goal. He's not shy of shooting.
Oh, great! And you can see why. That is sensational. 15 minutes gone. A phenomenal goal.
Brilliant goal! What an equaliser! Good shot, it's in! Final minutes! The final act in the drama is provided by Steven Gerrard.
What a head, son! What a head! Well, you take a tap in these circumstances. What you have seen is as good as anything the competition has produced in this and many a season.
You don't need me to explain it. Just watch this. Let the pictures tell you everything. This is special.
With one swing of his gifted right foot. Lovely cushioned header. For Gerrard! Oh, you beauty! What a head, son! What a head!
Smack it!
What a fantastic goal. Two goalkeepers in the net, you wouldn't save that one.
Who else has got the goal? He picks the spot, he opens his body, he slides it left to the goalkeeper who can't see it till very, very late. So late that it's beyond.
Oh, what about that? That was really special. Those are the moments that supporters will remember.
Nice strike! Oh, better than nice! Wonderful! Magnificent player. Strides around the field like a colossus. Winning tackles, tracking back.
To stand up and be counted, to pull an absolute rabbit from a hat.
Well, take a bow, son. I mean that, take a bow. You have been immense. If anyone ever doubted your value to your side, you have just blown it away with the most incredible equaliser. We're on the brink of stoppage time. You're fighting against everything, and you pop up with this. Absolutely top draw. Magnificent. Quality, class, everything you want that's good about football. Here you've got it, son.
How about that? With a pure, clean swing of that right boot.
Oh, and it's a brilliant goal! It's a brilliant goal! And you can see what it means to them.
Oh, what a goal.
That is absolutely superb.
Have a look at this. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Oh, what a stunner. An absolutely fantastic goal. But no more than we've come to expect. We might just take an awful lot of the plaudits for that wonderful goal.
Tried to instill the right sort of belief in his players, and they produced the classic start. Who's got it? You can get it inside 2 minutes.
And what an awful lot he owes to two people. Rob Jones' wonderful touch. This is a great sweeping pass, but watch this here. Lovely cushion ball. And then this is all about Collymore. Shrugs off a challenge. What a ball that is. But I have to say, Martin, it's a simple header and it's pretty poor marking. Gets himself in an area. The marking is non-existent.
Hitting a long one, and it's gone in! Amazing!